In this session, we will learn about the nature of roots of quadratic equation. Now, every quadratic equation has at least two roots, that's alpha and beta. We've learned the formula. Alpha is given as minus b plus root d over 2a, and beta is given as minus b minus root d over 2a. Now, it is the d that decides the nature of the root. If d is negative, that the discriminant is negative, we will end up with something like this. Here we'll have minus d over 2a, and for beta we'll have minus b minus under root, this is negative, minus d over 2a. Now, we've already learned earlier that a negative of a number, square root of a negative number, is not real. Is not real. Which means this now is not real, and this also is not real. So alpha is not real, and beta also is not real. So if d is negative, alpha and beta are not real. So we'll write first condition. If d is negative, roots are not real. We need to remember this. Now again, alpha, beta, we know. Now what if d equals to 0? So here we write d 0 over 2a, and then we have beta equal to minus b plus under root. Here we know d we have taken as 0, and this is over 2a. Now under root of 0 is 0, so my alpha becomes minus b over 2a, and beta also is minus b over 2a. Have you noticed that the roots are equal? They are same. So if d is equal to 0, the roots are equal. This is the second condition. So we repeat, if d is 0, the roots are equal and real. Earlier we already have seen that if d is negative, the roots are not real. This is what we've learned earlier. Now for the third condition, if d is positive, so here we have positive number, and that will be over 2a, and beta equal to minus b, this is positive, over 2a. So we have alpha equal to minus b, and this under root of a positive number we can find, and here too beta is minus b minus root d over 2a. So if d is positive, that means positive, we can say there are real unequal roots. Two different roots we get. So real and unequal. This is the next condition. Let's repeat the earlier condition. Let's revise. We have two more here. If d equal to 0, we had equal roots. And if d was less than 0, that means negative, you will have no real roots. So you get real roots in two cases. You get real roots here, and you get real roots here. These also roots are real, equal and real, which is, we can say if d is greater than 0 or equal to 0, the roots are real. But if d is less than 0, no real roots. Out of these two real roots, we have two conditions. If d is 0, equal roots, and if d is greater than 0 unequal roots.